Hi, this is Bill Holliday with Noise Engineers, acoustical consultants. I just wanted to show you some of the products that we're using and that we manage to mostly attenuate noise, absorb noise. We use a lot of these in, well, there's a lot of different applications. So let me hit some of the absorptive treatments. This is acoustical, spray-on acoustical treatment. It can go, it's pretty inexpensive. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty inexpensive. It can go on ceilings. It could go on walls, but it's not very abuse resistant. So it's really better for ceilings, but you can cover a lot of area very quickly. We have had that. We've applied that in many factories just to reduce the echo. It will reduce a reflected noise from the ceiling. It's like taking the roof off of your building. It'll make it quieter from reflected noise. It doesn't do anything for the direct path, but the reflected noise off the ceiling, it takes care of. Another absorptive product are acoustic baffles, and they can have grommets in them. They can also be hung through a pin going through it where there isn't a grommet at all. This is fiberglass, kind of a softer fiberglass that is covered with a sailcloth. And what's nice with the cloth is it can, sorry, it's not a cloth, it's sail material. What's nice with that material is that it can be washed. You can wipe it down. It keeps, if there's a lot of particulate in the air, you can keep it cleaner. These could be hung as baffles. They could be hung on hooks on the wall, or we can pin them right to the wall. Another absorptive product, well, in another way that can be used or applied is through these lapidaries. You might be able to see this is the mounting. So that would go up, and these are long lapidaries that can hang from, can be mounted to a ceiling or a wall, but can be mounted to a ceiling, and it's a pretty inexpensive way to apply a good amount of absorption. They come in all kinds of colors, school gyms, pools. You can apply them and whatever, have the cool or the school or company colors showing. So this is a panel, an acoustic panel. I have panels on the walls here. I'm going to try to show you. I don't know if I can get this camera all the way around, but I'm going to try. So this is an acoustic panel mounted to the wall. It's just a fabric wrapped fiberglass panel. Pretty they can be in all kinds of colors. You can even get prints put on them. This is an absorptive cloth that's placed on it. This has seen a little bit of wear and tear, but it's dense. I can't fold this or bend this at all. It's dense fiberglass that is wrapped with fabric material. It does really good for absorption. You can get 1 inch or 2 inches thick. These can be, they sell for about $9 a square foot, and they can be mounted on walls, mounted on ceilings. They're great for offices, pretty inexpensive, highly absorptive solution. Another absorptive solution are these vinyl panels that are wrapped with fiberglass and a covering, and that covering is washable. This is great for industrial applications. And let me show the vinyl inside, and you can use just vinyl, and this isn't just vinyl like a shower curtain. This is heavy, 1 pound or 2 pound per square foot, heavy barrier vinyl. You can hang this on chain link fence to make barriers outdoors. You can lag noise producing equipment to block the noise radiating out. You can wrap these vinyl barriers, there we go, in fiberglass and then put in a washable casing over it, and they call it a quilted vinyl treatment. We use this to make barriers or enclosures where we want absorption, or it gives it a cushion. If this is going to wrap directly on some kind of vibrating machine, this decouples it. You could also just put fiberglass, bad insulation, and then wrap it with vinyl, and that would decouple so that the vinyl isn't touching the moving motor or engine or whatever you're trying to quiet. Or duct work if you're trying to reduce noise breaking out of a duct. But these have multiple industrial applications. They could be just hung, but you're wasting the vinyl. They're really better for enclosures and barriers. You can hang them as a barrier and break up the noise in a facility. All right, those are the products I wanted to show you. Vinyl, quilted vinyl, spray-on acoustic treatment, baffles and lapidaries, and fiberglass wall panels. All right, thanks.